Hello and welcome to Dotnet with Sikhen, and today we will be discussing about string instance method in string handling. So let's get started. Instance methods. As we know, like instance methods are functions that operate on a specific string object and are called using that object's name followed by a dot. For example, myString.toUpper. So here myString is the object of a string and .toUpper is the instance method. So we have a lot of instance methods, but we have already discussed in our previous video, and in this video we will be discussing the next instance methods. So here the next methods are basically the IndexOf and LastIndexOf, remove, insert, contains, PadLeft and PadRight, StartsWith and EndsWith. So let's quickly jump into the Visual Studio and look at all these things. Yes, so here you can see we have one string, that is the hello world, welcome to C# programming, and here in this string variable you can see we have started with spaces and also we have ends with the spaces, right? And then in between this double quote we have the data, basically hello world, welcome to C# programming, and here we are printing the original message, right? Now let's look at the IndexOf and LastIndexOf. So this IndexOf and LastIndexOf basically returns the index or integer value of any word, or you can say the characters, right? So in case of IndexOf, it returns basically the index of any word like world here, and LastIndexOf basically returns the index of any characters. Now let's look at the another method, that is the remove. So in this remove we also need to provide the word. So here you can see like message.remove, and it starts from index, that is the start index is 7 and the count will be, and the count is 13, right? So it will start from index 7 and then it will take the next 13 characters to remove. Similarly we have contains. So basically it checks whether that word or the characters is there or not in that string object, so that basically returns true or false. Similarly we have PadLeft and PadRight. In the PadLeft basically it puts the stars in left hand side. So let's say we have this message and it has 40 characters long, for example, right? So what this PadLeft will do, it will add 10 more stars before this hello, right? So that's why it is called PadLeft, and we have given that format like which characters it will add previous of the string. And in the same way we have PadRight. So after the string it will add the remaining characters like this underscore or hyphen. And then we have the starts with and ends with. Similarly we can check like whether in this this message starts with this underscore space hello or not, and ends with also it checks like this message contains or this message ends with this programming dot space or not. So basically these all returns true or false, right? So let's run it and see the result. Yes, so here you can see the original message is hello world, welcome to C# programming, and index of world is 8, the last index of O is 31. Remove, now you can see hello and then comma world to welcome, right? So it starts from me to C# programming here, me to C# programming. Similarly content C#, so it returns true. Now you can see the PadLeft, so it inserted 10 characters because total it should be 50. PadRight, now you can see in the right hand side it inserts these hyphens. It starts with also returns true and ends with returns true, right? So basically this returns true or false. So these are different instance method that we have discussed in string handling, and in the next video we will be looking at one program, and we will check like how we can work with the string handling instance methods. So that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.